What is up, you guys? Crypto Clay here, and today I'm going to be telling you how you can make $1 billion on cryptocurrencies with only starting with $2.13. Are you ready? Okay, no, seriously, guys. I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube recently about how to become a millionaire off of just $1,000 or whatever. Essentially, all of these big YouTubers have been claiming that anybody, just anybody, can become a millionaire off of cryptocurrencies. And while it's true that there is potential to become a millionaire off of cryptocurrencies, it takes a lot more than $1,000 to start off with, and it takes a lot more time than what they're claiming. I saw one video earlier. Let's just let's take a look at this stuff. How to become a millionaire trading crypto in 6 months. How to become a millionaire in 6 months. Cryptocurrency ICO. How to make millions. Become a cryptocurrency millionaire with $100. Oh my goodness. BitConnect. Become a Bitcoin millionaire with only $500. This stuff is just nuts, guys. Proof. How to become a millionaire with cryptocurrency in 30 days. 30 days, guys. How to become a cryptocurrency millionaire in 30 days. That is, wow. That's really good, guys. That's really good. Make $1 million in cryptocurrency from 1K in 2018. Let's take a look at this from Crypto Love.
Boom shakalaka, what is up, Crypto Love? Randall here, and today we have an episode on how to make $1 million with $1,000 in 2018. And guess what? This video is live. You're watching it, I'm making it. That's how we do. Next time it'll be a 3D maybe, or like virtual reality or something like that. But yeah, I know what it's like to be a newscaster now. Crazy. Woo!
This guy is nuts. I've watched 30 seconds of his video, and he's nuts. He's absolutely nuts. You want to listen to somebody like this on how to make $1 million off of $1,000? This guy has 63,000 subscribers. Let's take a look at some more of these. How I became 17-year-old. Okay.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Dusty. You're back with another crypto video. And first of all, Merry Christmas to everyone.
Why is there a pattern here of craziness? Like, is that why I don't have as many subscribers as these people? Because I don't do anything crazy or flashy in the beginning of my intro? Man, maybe I should start doing that. I don't know. Maybe it's because I don't lie to people. All right. Okay, in all seriousness, guys, not everybody can become millionaires. It's not possible. Today's video, I just wanted to, cut down on some of the bullshit that people are feeding you on YouTube and Reddit and other forums like it, saying that everybody can become a millionaire with cryptocurrencies. It's not possible, guys. Not everybody can become millionaires. And the thing is I talk about how bullish the market is in 2018 and how far I think it can go, but that doesn't mean that I think that everyone that is getting in right now is going to become a millionaire, there has to be losers, guys. I've talked about how a lot of these projects are probably going to go to zero eventually because they just don't solve anything. They don't bring a solution to the table that other cryptocurrencies do. So a lot of these ICOs, a lot of these smaller projects, they're never going to amount to anything. Some of these larger names are definitely going to go on and do bigger and better things. But whenever I see all of these YouTubers come online and say, hey, these top 5 picks that, you know, are really undervalued right now, like whenever people use words like cheap and hot and awesome to describe a cryptocurrency asset, then you know they're full of shit. You know they're full of shit. Because they don't have any clue as to what they're actually talking about. If they did, they would describe what's so great about that cryptocurrency or what's great about that project. People that actually care about this space usually do their fundamental research and tell you exactly what makes up that project. And whenever you just hear people spewing out numbers like, oh, Ripple could go to, you know, $30 or $50 this year. I can't wait to see that. Well, I mean, is it possible for Ripple to go to $50? I mean, they've got a lot of coins. They've got like, how many coins does Ripple have? Let's take a look at this. Yeah. They got 100 billion coins. That's crazy. Could it really go to $50? You're saying that Ripple could have a $5 trillion market cap by itself. The entire market cap of all cryptocurrencies hasn't even hit $1 trillion yet, and you're saying that Ripple is going to hit $5 trillion in 2018. I just don't think that's very likely, guys. Not very likely at all. And so whenever you have people coming on their YouTube channels that have a shit ton of subscribers saying, oh man, yeah, this really cheap cryptocurrency, Tron, it's gonna be huge, and you know, it's going to make a shit ton of money. It's going to make you a millionaire if you buy in right now. Well, if you bought in at the top and it drops, is it still, yeah. They have no idea what they're actually talking about because they don't look at the market cap. They don't look at the circulating supply. Supply and demand, guys. Basic economics. Please do your research whenever you're studying these things. Can you make a lot of money investing in cryptocurrencies? Yes, I am living proof of that. I will tell you, I have made a considerable amount of money investing in cryptocurrencies, starting with not a lot of money. But did it happen overnight? Did it happen in 30 days? Did it happen in 6 months? No, it didn't. I got involved in this space back in 2013, guys, and I can tell you for a fact that it did not happen overnight. I lost a lot of money before I gained some. A lot of money. I lost money on Mt. Gox. I lost money on Cryptsy. These things happen, guys, and you can't just tell everybody that they're going to be a millionaire. It's not possible. It's really, really not. I have to give a shout out to Doug Polk Crypto for making the videos that he makes calling out some of the bullshit. Now, for those of you that have watched my channel for a while now, you know that I only talk about projects that I believe in. I never try and talk about projects that people message me about asking to do some advertising for their crypto projects. I've never been one to do that because I don't want you to waste your money. I am all about investing in smart projects. And so Doug Polk Crypto is another channel that I really have come to appreciate recently because his videos just tell it like it is, and he calls out the bullshit that a lot of people are saying on YouTube right now. So I highly encourage you to go and take a look at his channel, watch some of his videos, and listen to what he has to say. Heed some of his warnings of other YouTubers and other people in this space that are just going to shill you the currencies that they're currently invested in. That's all I wanted to say today, guys. Please, please be careful out there and invest your money wisely. Please, please, please be careful. That's it for today, though. Crypto Clay out.